Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something exciting. I've got my hands on the latest iPhone 16 case models, fresh off the press from China. Thanks to a reliable source, Sonic Dixon, we have what appears to be some of the most accurate previews of the iPhone 16 colors. If you're as eager as I am to see what Apple's been cooking up, stay tuned because we're about to explore all the vibrant new hues that will be featured in the iPhone 16 lineup. And here they are, 5 beautifully crafted case models representing each color in the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup. We've got blue, pink, green, silver, and the ever classic black. These aren't just random colors, these are expected to be the official launch colors, so we're getting a very close look at what to expect. One thing that stands out is the absence of a red variant. For those who love the product red editions, this might be a bit disappointing. It's possible that a special edition red iPhone could make a return in the spring, as Apple has done in the past with seasonal color releases. Now, I know a lot of you are curious about the iPhone 16 Pro models. While I don't have the full lineup in hand just yet, I do have some inside information. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to come in white, black, titanium gray, and a new brown shade. This brown is quite polarizing. Some will love it for its earthy, sophisticated vibe, while others might miss the classic gold that Apple used to offer. The iPhone 16 is also getting some significant design updates, the most notable being the new vertical camera module. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it has functional implications too. With this new layout, the iPhone 16 will be able to capture spatial video, which is designed to work seamlessly with Apple's upcoming Vision Pro headset. This is a major step forward in Apple's push toward immersive 3D content. Beyond the visual updates, the iPhone 16 is also expected to come with some serious under-the-hood improvements. The most significant of these is the new A8 chip, which will power Apple Intelligence on the non-Pro models. This chip is rumored to bring significant performance boosts, especially in AI-driven tasks like image processing and machine learning. Apple Intelligence is a new feature set that will leverage the A8 chip's power to offer more personalized and intuitive experiences. Thanks to the A18 chip's improved efficiency, the iPhone 16 is expected to offer better battery life compared to its predecessors. This is a crucial upgrade for users who rely heavily on their phones throughout the day. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or working on the go, the iPhone 16 should be able to keep up without needing constant recharges. The iPhone 16 also features an upgraded display, offering better color accuracy, higher brightness levels, and improved contrast. These enhancements make the display more vibrant and easier to view in bright sunlight, providing a better overall experience for media consumption and everyday use. The iPhone 16 marks a significant step forward for Apple, not just in terms of design, but also in functionality and user experience. The new colors bring a fresh and exciting look to the lineup, while the internal upgrades ensure that the iPhone 16 remains at the cutting edge of smartphone technology. Whether you're excited about the new blue, intrigued by the redesigned action button, or eager to experience the power of the A18 chip, the iPhone 16 has something for everyone. As we approach the official launch, it's clear that the iPhone 16 is poised to be one of the most exciting releases in recent memory. Apple continues to innovate and set new standards for the industry, and the iPhone 16 is a testament to that commitment. So which color are you most excited about? And what features are you looking forward to the most? Let us know in the comments. And stay tuned for more in-depth coverage as we get closer to the iPhone 16's release. Whether you're a longtime Apple fan or just curious about what the hype is all about, the iPhone 16 is sure to impress.